Hi, this will be my first video I will be doing. It's this. I didn't really. I was thinking of getting right onto the game. I didn't know, but we're gonna be playing a couple matches of Among Us because I don't really have anything to play at the moment. And I don't have any friends to play with at all right now. But so I just thought I'll try a couple matches of this, see how it goes. I guess. But yeah, so my name's Plastic Bleach. You probably know that if you're watching this video. I guess I don't know why I said that. Doing videos to have fun. Yeah. Hoping this turns out good. I have a Booga mic, so please don't roast me in the comments. Please. Please. But yeah, I just really wanted to try it out. I didn't have anything to do. Like, might as well. I'm happy the mic works. I had to figure it all out. Just a second ago, I tried to post a video like this a second ago, and it did not go well at all. Cause the screen. Oh, sick imposter. But the screen didn't go well. Nothing happened well. The screen was very small, and it didn't really work. But yeah. Other than that, it was perfectly fine. But yeah, so I just didn't really want to post that video, so I'm redoing this one. And yeah, I just didn't think it was a big thing. Sorry, I didn't kill Naruto. Huh. Wow, that's garbage. But okay. Imposter killed everyone, I guess. They're all wearing egg hats. I guess I have to wear one, I guess. I don't know what I just said. Why are all these people leaving, dude? For real. I did not just read that. What that dude just said. What did he say? Banging. Wait, bang. What does it say? Banning? Whatever, I don't know. This game's dead. I'm gone. But yeah, I wanted to try a different route. I fixed the screen and all that, so I think this one will turn out way better. Yeah. Yes. How did I get imposter first match? That's crazy. Man, that never happened. This world super fast. Admin swipe card. Oh, I thought I was finna fake a task for no reason for a second. Dang it. God. Whoa, where'd he pop up from, bro? I swear he vented. Did he? Yo, did anyone, see anything? Was he? Yo, if anyone sees this video, can you, put in the comments if, he saw him vent? Because I swear, I think it's him. I don't know, though. So, I'm not gonna say nothing. If I die by him, I'm gonna feel so stupid. Because I really could have said something. Oh, wait, was that him? Don't tell me he recorded. Okay, I'm not gonna say nothing about FZO right now because I don't have enough proof because I didn't see anything legitimately. So I'm not gonna say nothing right now. Yellow, sus. No. But yeah, I just really want to try this out. Everyone, I'm gonna save you vote. Put Trump, make America great without him. Oh, okay, I can do that. Where's Trump at? Honestly, oh, Trump, he left, right? everyone is the voting time really fast? That was pretty fast. Oh, I've been recording for 5 minutes. This one was way better recorded. But yeah, not much content, I guess. I don't really know. Wait, no, there's no. Oh no! Go 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 go. Okay, get out of there, get out of there. Someone's looking at cams. Okay, that meant Enzo was not going for it. Okay, cool. Please don't tell me it's lemon. I don't want to die while I'm doing fast, especially. What? I just did this. What the heck? They're both in cams. What? This looks so weird. Okay, medbay inspect sample. I just be like going through my task. Last task. Please, please. No! My last task, dude! Bruh. And it's a self-report. Why are you saying I'm sus? If you saw him on cams, you know it's him. And this is so... I need to find people who actually want to play. Because none of my friends be on Discord. I got an idea. I'm finna go check if my friend on Discord will actually play with us. Well, me, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how to say that. Where's my snap? I used to go my snap though. Get on out of here, coach. Oh my! Oh my! Let's go. But let's play another match on this one. This one's a decent server. It makes sense. But have you ever, like, this is a question. I don't even know. Y'all can even see my face. But have you guys ever played a game, like used your keyboard so much that like you can't move your pinky? That's a weird feeling. Imposter? No. No imposter. But maybe next time. I don't even have admin. I don't even got admin. Admin. Oh damn. Download this data. But for real though, I just be vibing though. Be skateboarding and stuff. Yo, that was kinda weird. Yeah, but I just be chilling on stream sometimes. Like I've streamed a couple times now, here and there. But that man High's kinda sus though. Was he checking for me or something? Oh, he's probably just checking for me to see if the test went or not. I don't think I'm pink. Pink. Okay. Oh, it's obvious that this many people say it's pink. But that means the left didn't. Pink left versus pink. That's pink. That man's gone. It says he vented. Is there any other views besides me? It's not. He's capping, obviously. For real, they was gonna vote me out. For no reason, exactly. Get out of my match. Like, out of nowhere, out of the blue, they said something. It's green. Like, what are you talking about? How do you sound? For real. Like, what? But now it's me. You feel me? You feel me? Fake swipe card. Even though I don't even know in this place. can't. Really? Skedaddle, skedaddle, skedaddle. An admin. Huh? What was with you? What are you talking about? They're retarded. They're retarded for that BS. That's trash. Stream thing finna end soon. I'ma end it in like not the stream, the video finna end soon. I gotta get off soon. I'm kinda getting tired. And plus I gotta watch this show I like to watch called Teenage Bounty Hunters. I don't know why I be watching that show, man. I went from cells at work to Teenage Bounty Hunters. Oh, that's not even an anime. Bro, it's only 5 people. Oh, they finna start already? For real? That's garbage. Man, people be starting this game so early. Oh, two flamingo heads. How did I spawn up here? I've never spawned up there before. This car. Bob. Dang. Bob. Dang. Dang. Wait, they just kicked me out? What? Bob. Dang. Dang. Godly! Wow. Second I say godly, stuff has to work. Feel me? Do I talk? I feel like I'm like when I'm like talking directly, I try to talk loud to the speaker that you guys are. I try to talk loud to you guys, but for real, like when I'm talking, like I be talking like kind of quiet, not gonna cat. Dang. Try to be quick with it. Dang. Who almost messed it up anyways? That's better than messing it. Whoa! Yo, boy! Yo, chill out on that one, though. Yo, anyone doing this one? Gotcha. He finna kill me. Why you finna kill? Why you finna kill? Why you finna kill? I knew it was that man! I was like wondering. He did the first one, I felt like, so I was like, oh, it must not be him. So, dang, I just got caught slipping. I got caught slipping. For real though. Whatever, dude. Gotta be good sport. If I play TikTok, like, would I get copyright strike? I don't even know. Hold on, no, just in case. Miss me with them feds. Why is this game so on private? It's not, it's on public. What are you talking about? Oh, they must have just changed it. But yeah.